Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the PSAT. This is Chapter 4, Lesson 30. Today, we meet two small but handy families of pronouns. One family asks questions, and the other family points things out. We call them interrogative and demonstrative pronouns. Here's the big picture. Both of these little families are pronouns, so each one stands in for a noun. But they do opposite jobs. An interrogative pronoun asks a question. A demonstrative pronoun points something out, the way you might point at an object across the room. So keep two words in your head, ask and point. Let's meet the question family first. There are just 5 interrogative pronouns: who, whom, whose, which, and what. You already use them every day to start a question. Listen. Who packed the cooler? That word who opens the question and stands in for a person we don't know yet. Use who when it's the subject and whom when it's the object. Whose asks about ownership, and which and what ask you to pick or name a thing. Now the pointing family. There are 4 demonstrative pronouns, and they split along 2 simple lines. First, near or far. This and these point to things close by. That and those point to things farther away. Second, one or many. This and that are singular, just one thing. These and those are plural, more than one. So you slide along an axis from near to far, and you choose singular or plural to match. Here's the trap the test loves. The same 4 words, this, that, these, and those, can be pronouns or adjectives, and you tell them apart by what follows. If the word stands alone in place of a noun, it's a demonstrative pronoun. This is mine. Where this stands alone is a pronoun. But if the very same word sits right before a noun and describes it, it's a demonstrative adjective. This book is mine. Where this leans on the noun book is an adjective. Same word, 2 jobs. Alone is a pronoun. Before a noun is an adjective. So here's your quick check. Look at the pronoun and ask one thing. Does it ask or does it point? If the word opens a question, who, whom, whose, which, or what, it's interrogative. If the word points to a thing, this, that, these, or those, it's demonstrative. Ask means interrogative. Point means demonstrative. That's the whole decision. Let's try a few. In this first set, look at the underlined pronoun and decide. Is it interrogative, the kind that asks a question, or demonstrative, the kind that points something out? Pause and try each one before I answer. Who is at the front door? The word who opens the question, and it stands in for the person we don't know yet. It's asking, not pointing. So the answer is interrogative. Those are storm clouds. The word those isn't asking anything. It's pointing to the clouds far off in the sky, and there are several of them. Pointing means demonstrative, so the answer is demonstrative. Which of the routes is shortest? The word which opens the question and asks you to pick one route out of the group. It's asking, not pointing, so the answer is interrogative. Now 3 fill-in-the-blank questions. Read each sentence, decide what kind of pronoun the blank needs, and pick the word that fits. Pause and try each one. Blank of the candidates do you support? This sentence is asking you to pick one person out of a known group. That job belongs to the interrogative which, not the pointing word that. So the answer is which. Blank are my parents standing over there. We're pointing at people who are far away, over there. And parents is plural, more than one. The plural, far away demonstrative is those. So the answer is those. Blank is my favorite mug. We're pointing at one mug, close at hand, and the verb is singular. So we need the singular pointing word this, not the plural these. So the answer is this. Let's wrap up. Interrogative pronouns ask a question, and there are 5 of them. Who, whom, whose, which, and what. Demonstrative pronouns point something out. This and these for things near, that and those for things far away. With this and that singular, and these and those plural. And watch the trap. When these pointing words sit before a noun, they're adjectives, not pronouns. When in doubt, just ask. Does the word ask or does it point? Ask is interrogative, point is demonstrative. Great work.